Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Ecuador. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Ecuadorian e-visa website. Here, it's available in Spanish and English, so I switch to English. All right. So it is asking us like to register, login, register. So I go for this option. So if you don't have an account, you can click here, sign up. Otherwise, you can log in using your Microsoft account too. So first you have to put your email address, send a verification code. You put that code, then set your password. Okay. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. So I logged in into the site. Now first you need to complete your registration. So do it as per your own case. Uh, I'm just doing as sample. Okay. But it do it as per your own case. Nationality, let's say you're from India. Let's say ordinary passport, most of us will have. Passport number, be very careful, guys. No mistake at all. Read terms, condition, and accept those. Ah, bicycles. I don't see bicycle. Traffic lights. Maybe there was some I could not see. Oh, thank God. To be honest, I'm very bad in capture. I don't know why. Okay. So now we have the menu of visas, and so of course we are going for visas. So we are applying for new one. So let's go for new procedure. So new visa renewal transfer. Okay. Service. So we are going for new visa. Let's select. So personal application, we'll go with this. If someone else is doing attorney, they'll go for this one. Underage children is there. Okay. Immigration assistant document are given to. So we are, let's say I'm applying for temporary visitor. Select visa type, temporary visitor, tourist, 90 days. I'd select. Select activities to develop, tourist. Wow. At least I will learn some French looks like. Do you agree? The values are non-refundable. Yeah, the anything you pay is not going to be refundable. Fine. So we have 4 tabs. Beneficiary identification, beneficiary's home data, beneficiary requirements. Okay. Country of birth. Yeah. City of birth. Wow. Wow. Marital status. Give a disability. Okay, picture. So I'm gonna upload a picture and then I'm gonna go continue and I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, so now we have reached the page 2 where we have to fill identification documents data issuance. Everything that you enter must match your passport. There is no if, there is no but. Okay, everything. Check it very clearly, and anything that you check, you need to check it twice. City. Beneficiary home data, country of residence, province, let's say. Wow. Home city. Wow. Address. Now put your full address. Home phone number. So India's +91. Mobile number again 91. Work phone number. Wow. Country of interview. Wow. Interview location. Okay. If they want to. Where is this request applied from? I select India. Do it as per your case. Okay. Now we have got to the document section. So let's see what are the documents they have asked. Wow. This one is passport, mandatory, okay. Criminal records, police clearance report, apostille, power of attorney if required. Issue minister, okay, fine. Other document, anything that you want to attach, birth and marriage certificate if in case of minor generally they ask for. Travel itinerary, round trip ticket, okay. Now which is the first one? Wow. To be honest, I didn't know what's that. Oh, aspect to English. Attorney issued before notary public authorized by foreign citizen and immigration. Wow. Okay, the first one is not mandatory, power of attorney if required. Second one is this. So in this way, you can upload all the mandatory documents, but yeah, I would suggest things like travel insurance, financial documents also you submit because that only increases your chances of securing a visa. And once you are done, go for save and finish and then pay the fee. And if everything goes well, you are all good to go. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.